all the students and everyone. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it in your homework copy on time. Because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I have given you. So please be sincere and do all the homework which I am giving. So today I want to teach you science chapter 11, keeping safe and healthy. It is going on. I have to start page number 104, keeping clean. Okay. So I was explaining some few lines. That first line, how you will keep your clean, how you will keep your body clean. Then you have to brush your teeth twice a day. Once in morning, once when you go to sleep. Okay, before going to bed. Okay. Second is you should take a bath every day. After bathing, you should wipe your body dry with a clean towel. Yes, you should take bath every day. If you are not taking bath every day, then might be you will get ill, your body will be dirty, or if you will continuously, if you will not take bath, then you will fall always ill, you will always get fever. So you should take bath every day, because when you will take bath every day, it will keep you fresh and clean. Okay. Take a bath every day, and after bathing, wipe your body with wet and dry towel. Okay, towel. Next, comb your hair every day. You should also shampoo your hair regularly. Yes, you should comb your hair every day. If you will not comb your hair, then if somebody will see, then he will say that you have not taken bath, that's why you have not done comb also. You should do shampoo also regularly. If you will do shampoo, whatever you can say lice is there in your hair, it will completely go. So you should comb your hair every day. You should shampoo it also regularly. I am not telling you shampoo every day, but it should be regularly. So next is comb your hair every day. Shampoo your hair regularly. Next is always keep your hands clean. Wash them before and after eating. You should also wash your hands after using the toilet. Yes, always clean your hands before eating also and after eating also. After using the toilet also, you should wash your hand, because our hand contains many germs. Okay, if you will touch, I am writing, then I am touching marker, I am touching this ink, so this ink is not good. Okay, so when I will go for eating, I will wash my hand with the Dettol or whatever sanitizer is there, then I will eat. After eating also I will eat. After going to toilet also, after using toilet also, I will wash my hand. Okay, because our hand contains many germs. If you will not wash your hands and if you just eat, your whatever germs will be in your hand, it will go inside your body and you may fall ill. So keep in your mind, before eating and after eating, you should wash your hand, and after using toilet also. After using toilet also. Next, keep your nails short and clean. Trim them regularly. Yes, keep your nail short and trim. If you can see my nail, see my nail is short and it is clean and it is trimmed. Okay, but I have seen many students also that they used to keep their nail longer, it's look very dirty, it's too many germs are there. So you should clean it, you should keep your nails short also, and you should trim it regularly. If you are a small child, you should not use whatever nail cutter is there. Use your parents should do it. If you are a grown-up child, then you can use nail cutter and you can cut your nail by your own. But if you are a small child, like you are in standard one, okay, so you should not use that. Your parents should cut your nails, should short it or trim it. Okay, your parents should do it. Keep your nails clean and short. And one more thing, why will keep clean and short? If I will keep longer, if longer I will keep nails, so it will contain more germs, it will contain more dirts. If I will eat after washing also, you cannot wash properly from using your nail like that. So that's why if you will keep your nail longer, then it contains, after washing your hand also, it will contain germs in it. But when we used to Indian people used to eat with hand, so when you will eat, whatever germs will be in your nail, it will mix with your food, and when you will eat it, that germs will also go inside your body. That's why it's suggested that you should clean and you should sort your nail and you should clean it regularly also. If you will not do it while eating also, that germs will go inside your body. Next, wear clean and iron clothes. Change your clothes and wear night clothes before going to bed. Yes, wear clean and iron clothes. Iron clothes mean after washing, your clothes should be ironed. If it is not ironed, it will look like that. Okay, I'm just giving one example like that. Okay, like that, foldable from everywhere. But if your cloth is ironed, then it will look like that, plain, totally. So wear clean, like you can see I wore clean t-shirt. If you will wear cleanly, if you are in school also, if you are in home also, your uniform should be clean, it should be neat and tidy, it should be ironed. And change your clothes and wear night clothes before going to bed. Yes, many people they used to they wear whatever whole day they used to wear that clothes they wear and they used to sleep. But no, whenever you go into bed, you should wear your night clothes. Then you should go to bed. So wear clean and iron clothes. Change your clothes and wear night clothes before going to bed. Okay, these are some safety rules for keeping. So these are some rules for keeping clean. If you are following these all rules, you can keep yourself clean and neat. Again, I am repeating: first, take bath every day. Second, comb your hair every day. Shampoo your hair regularly. Before and after eating, wash your hands with sanitizer or whatever Dettol, whatever it is there, with soap also, antiseptic soap also. And after using toilet also, keep your nails clean and short. If you will not keep while eating, that germs will go inside your body and you will fall ill. Wear clean and iron clothes. Change your clothes and wear night clothes before going to bed. So till here I am stopping. In next class I will start keeping fit, page 105. So for now, goodbye to all of you.